Hey everyone, we're here in Chicago with our friend Eric Floberg. You might remember him from Hong Kong, where he and I went out and shot some street photography. And today we're gonna do the same thing here in Chicago. Today's video is sponsored by Skillshare. If you've resolved to learn a new skill this year, Skillshare probably has a course for you. With a library of over 17,000 classes covering photography, design, business, and more, there's something for everyone. Rachel recently learned how to make a flower crown with a class on Skillshare. So we braved the torrential downpour in LA to pick up the materials. And within a few minutes, Rachel put together this lovely flower crown for a shoot with Carlton. And with Skillshare, you can learn how to create something for your next shoot. You can learn new editing tricks in Photoshop, or you can even learn how to become better at shooting street photography. You can now get your first 3 months on Skillshare for just 99 cents, but the offer is only good until the end of January. So click the link in the description to get started.
The moments are fleeting. Let's go this way. That's the worst, like you see something awesome and then, hold on. I'm gonna wait for this guy. Let's go back. Sometimes if you get a really interesting location, you might want to post up, frame up your shot, and let your subject walk right into your frame. Another big piece of advice I always give is shooting at a high aperture. That way you can get more things in focus. An image can be really captivating or interesting when your subject blends in with or interacts with the environment. Oh, he looked right up at me. Sometimes things just aren't jiving. You feel like you're not getting anything good, but just be patient. You get more bold as you go on. My biggest piece of advice is don't be afraid. Can I take your portrait? Cool. And the most important thing, don't care about what anybody thinks of you.
We hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you want to see more of Eric's work, check out the link in the description, and we'll see you guys next time.
Sometimes when you have a really epic location, it's best to just post up in a spot and let your subject walk right into the frame.